Today we will learn Chinese characters.
4
Watch the mouth shape for this character's pronunciation.
4 4 4 4 G 4 G 一年有4季，一年有4季。4条4条，今天我钓了4条鱼。今天我钓了4条鱼。4只4只，天气太冷，感觉4只都被冻僵了。天气太冷，感觉4只都被冻僵了。
Alright, let's see how to write it. Everyone pay attention. This character looks like a square, but it actually isn't one. You can write it slowly. Alright, let's write it once more. When writing this character, pay attention. When you reach this part, slant it upward a little so that the character doesn't look too square overall. In Chinese, this character is not just a number, it also represents space, time, and stability. For example, the 4 seasons and the 4 directions. That is why the character looks square and upright, symbolizing stability, order, and completeness. This lesson is over. Goodbye.